So in this video, we are going to show how to build a AI tools in 50 minutes. What they do, they scrape remote job automation, filter high quality opportunity, use AI to analyze a job post, say hours of manual searching, and the best part is you can build with even if you are beginner also. So I will show you how to build in cloud. So you can see we input our data like search, job, locations, and all thing, and we connect a Epify. So if you does not know, Epify is a tool of scrap all social media, and they have pricing model also. So free trial was also available to build. So we use Epify, and we connect a LinkedIn scrapper on Epify. So yeah, that was the whole thing we add, and we give the output of job title, company, locations, description of a job, and all. So after that, I will connect to Claude, and what they do, they rank the top post and give to all of thing like all. So that was the whole structure of our job finder tool, and this was a personal tool. We does not need any hosting and domain only. So this is like a mini SaaS. You're supposed to build and work on that only. So you can see, let's go to the artifact and create a artifact, and we go to section of apps and website. So yeah, so let's go to the Epify, and I will show you the scrapper. So let's search the LinkedIn scrapper who find a job. So you can see there is a lot of options of scrapper, so you choose any scrapper you want. So let's find the best scrapper. So in scrapper also there is a two type of LinkedIn scrapper was there. First of all, the one who run in URL, and second one who's run with keyword. So we're supposed to find a keyword one scrapper. URL one is little bit complex, and that doesn't work with our cloud. Means that work, but is supposed to like lot of thing were add. So what I doing, I am copying and pasting on chat GPT. So how, what was the scrapper information and all. If it does not, it take a lot of time to read all. So what I did, I copy the whole page and paste it on chat GPT to get all important information of that LinkedIn scraper. How what the system was, you're supposed to find the keyword one. So you can see this is the input format. How was the input format was there. So I pasted the whole scraper, and I am giving a prompt to, this is the structure of the SaaS, so tell me that all of things. So you can see he's giving the information of the actor, the Epify scraper one, LinkedIn, so how they work and all. So let's go, and first we connect the cloud. So if you does not know what scraper you want, you can also give a prompt to the chat GPT, and they will tell you. So like I will give the prompt, I wanted to create a professional cloud artifact for me from job finder, so use for finding jobs. So the system you can also tell. So after all, I will giving the prompt, and you can see I pasted the whatever thing I supposed to add on my SaaS. So like cloud artifact SaaS. So I will add the experience level and salary. So that was the all optional button we use. So that was the interference of our SaaS. So yeah. So and giving the prompt of like that, add the Epify scraper and give the data and all. So that was a all things. So after giving the all the data, it give a to z proper prompt. So only have to copy and paste on the cloud. So cloud will build the whole system of the scraper. So yeah, we're supposed to give a great prompt, and that was the whole thing, and the cloud will able to build the whole structure. So you can see I added one more feature like rank the systems and all. So as per the post, he rank and give the score, so we get more easier to apply. So yeah, that was the whole thing. So I pasted in chat gpt, and chat gpt give make a professional prompt to build the whole structure. So you can see I supposed to copy and paste on the cloud. You can see the AI scoring output required. So all the options were built by the chat gpt. So after all, we're supposed to download a cloud desktop version, because in j- normal version we does not have to add the artifact and all. We supposed to install a cloud desktop version. So yeah, I am installing the cloud desktop version. After that, we're supposed to add and connect Epify. So you can see the installation was done. So that was I think 22 to 30 MB. So yeah, I log into that account only. So let's full and go to the artifact section and create a new artifact, and select the option of apps and website. So after that, we're supposed to connect the Epify. So go to add connect, and let's back and search Epify. So you can see supposed to install the Epify. So installation come. So its Epify was not installed on your PC. It's installed on backend only, like cloud server, not on our PC. So only the cloud was installed on our PC. So yeah. So you can see is the configuration option come. So let's go to the Epify, and let's find the API key. So we need two things to connect. First of all, the API key, and second one is MCV code of Epify. So first of all, we go to the API key, personal API key. So let's go to the setting and API and integration option, and just we have to copy and paste on the cloud. So after that, we're supposed to go on MCP server option. So we see we're going to the Epify MCP server, and we're supposed to find the cloud one. So you can see the cloud desktop option was there. You're supposed to copy and paste on our enable tool option. So yeah, so that was the whole two thing we're supposed to add. So it take time to connect. It's showing unable to connect, but it takes some time and it will be connect. So you can see the scraper was connected, and we're supposed to allow all option we select. So you can see I selected the allow all, get actor, search actor and all. So after that, we copy the whole cloud artifact prompt and paste on this cloud artifact section. So and just paste, and it will be build the whole structure of our personal SaaS. So you can see, the whole thing was made. So you get the option of job title, location, work type, employee type, experience levels. That was location. I select remote, and work type also remote, and employee type I think I taking the full time one. So yeah, so experience level I think mid 3 to 5 year, and how many results means how many posts you want of LinkedIn. So I will select it the 10, and this is the optional one. If company filter salary and all, so if you want to add a salary level, you can add. So like you can add any dollar like 100K and all. What was the salary expectation you have? So I am adding a 120K, and let's click on the find job. So you can see describe and give the four job found. So this is a like recent developers and all top match, and give the did also giving the score of the post. So you can 62% match. So yeah, you can see that was the whole thing come. So there is error happening like apply button was not working. So I am clicking the apply button. So yeah, you can give the just prompt and they fix the system. So let's see the another button was working or not. So yeah, okay, let's refresh and check find job. We can see a job find, so apply button. So yeah, that was a backend error. So let's give the prompt to build a system. And so after giving the one single prompt, it recorrect. And so I will giving the prompt like after clicking typify, it directly go to the LinkedIn post. So that was the whole thing was able to done the our size. So it also giving a old data of a job, so that was supposed to not do. They only give a live data was available means the job which are available. So I've been giving the prompt to like give only the data of only job which are available, not a past old data who already done the vacancy was over. So we does not need that type of job post, we only want a latest. So yeah, the fixing error was done. So I giving the prompt. So let's see. So you can see they tell the option like we give only the data of 7 day old post only, not more than that. So you can see after clicking the open link was also option come. So you can see I go to the open link and see the LinkedIn, apply on LinkedIn, and the option of open link comes. So let's go to the open link, and you can see the LinkedIn was open. So you can see the senior, the job level was come. 14 applicant done, and 3, this is the post was only 3 hour. So yeah, the whole structure was working probably. So we take only 15 minutes to build the whole structure, and it working perfectly. The whole JSON structure was done perfectly, and whole prompt was working perfectly. So yeah, that was the whole thing. So you can build any structure. So if you want like more post, you can get a paid plan of Epify and build the whole system. So yeah, that was the whole thing. So you can see the cloud we can remove and also open. So whole system was working perfectly. You're supposed to go on cloud, and the option is always saved.